Hi guys, welcome back to our tutorial class. So today I'm going to teach you how to do texture using Unwrap UVW. So basically this is the basic texturing method. Okay, so for you to understand, I will just create something easier for you, which just by using box, and what we are going to do today is just mapping a serial box. Yeah. So first of all, we need to create a box on your top view. Okay, and then go to modify and change the size length to 80 times 200, height 300. After that, just leave the segment to 1. You may zoom extend all, and then you can see the rest. Yeah. Okay, let me introduce you guys about the mapping tools first. Okay, when you want to do a mapping, you need to press M. So whatever color that you saw in your polygon, okay, that is default color. This default color does not have properties, so you're not allowed to change any characteristic of the properties of the color. Yeah, so you need to go to M. Alright, so if let's say for example you don't want to put any texture pictures or something which is a texture default from the 3DsMax, you can and you feel that you just want to have a color, you can always click on the one of the ball. Alright, and then choose ambient color. Alright, by the way, the modes here is a compact material editor. If you are in a slate material editor, this is how your screen will look like. Okay, so don't worry, if you happen to open this, you just go to modes and change to compact material editor. Okay, select one of the ball or also a palette, go to ambient and change the color. Example, this color here, click and drop to your box. So basically this thing here, you can see after you apply, you will see the properties. Okay, all the properties are there. So this allows you to change even though it's just using a matte color. Okay, you can have it look like a cartoon texture. Yeah. So secondly, the one that I want to show you guys today is mapping an image. Okay, so you have to go to diffuse. Across diffuse, there's a none button which you can click and look for bitmap. So the bitmap file here, you need to browse from the image that you have in your desktop or perhaps maybe your computer. Okay, so for me, I will look from my tutorial file. Okay, so let's see now I'm taking this file here. Okay, so after click open, so this one should be dragged here. Once you drag, this will turn to gray color. It means here there is a texture but you cannot see this. Okay, so you have to turn on this show shaded material in viewport. And now this will appear on all of the faces of your box. Observe carefully, every faces or surfaces will have the same image. This is because the UV is all aligned or overlap with each other. So our task is actually to map back, okay, every single of the image towards the places, the correct places. Yeah, that's why we need the Unwrap UVW. So now under your modifier list, look for Unwrap UVW. Okay, so you open this. This one you can close, yeah? Go down, scroll down, and open UV editor. Okay, this window edit UVs will pop up. And then you go with serial box texture. You can choose here, and you will get this. Now, by opening your polygon here, choose the front polygon or front surface. Just scale this. Okay, you can scale this properly so that it fits properly on this box. Okay, done. So observe carefully when you rotate this box, front and back is still the same. It means here, this point here, this vertex here and here is overlap. So you need to fix that. So you go to the back view, click this. You see it's overlap. Click on your planar button, planar map, and click on best align. So now this will be open back. So we need to scale this to here, but as you can see, this is locked. So the tips here is to click on vertex and choose polygon. Now it will allow you to scale back. Okay, you may zoom using your arrow and then using your roller or mouse, center mouse button for you to move around. Okay, so it's much easier like that rather than going front and back now. Okay, done. So the upper part should be this. Okay, zoom to see that. Okay. There you are. So after you're done with this, we can proceed with the right side of the box using similar method. So we'll be doing this for all left and right, top and bottom, yeah? Similar step, the other side. Select that, planar, best align, vertex and polygon back, and scale. And finally, for the top view, scale this. And the bottom, select that, planar, best align, vertex and polygon, then only scale this to the bottom. Okay, done. So when this is done, you can check it out. Even though it looks blur here, it's a bit blur, but when you zoom in, rendering and render, you see, it's more sharp on your rendering looks, yeah? So don't worry about that. So this is what we call as image mapping, yeah?